Hi, good morning, good afternoon, good evening, and good night to all my incredible global viewers. My name is Osman. Today, I'm going to be showing you 5 ways we can easily import videos or footage into Premiere Pro. This tutorial is basically designed for beginners, but feel free to join. In other words, everybody is welcome. After watching this video, if you learn anything, you love anything, please don't forget to hit the notification bell, subscribe to my channel, like, share, and comment. Thanks very much. Let's dive into the tutorial. Once you've launched Premiere Pro, navigate over to your project window. Simply double-click anywhere in the project window or in this box, and a browser window will open, allowing you to find footage or file you would like to import. In the browser window, you can allocate your videos or footage. In my case, this is where they're located. So you can select one or multiple clips and hit import. This depends on your project. In my case, I'm going to select 2 clips for illustrative purpose, like this. This leads us automatically to the second option that I'm going to be showing you in this tutorial. The second option I'm going to be showing you in this tutorial is the drop-down import from the File tab. So, how do we get it? Navigate to the top menu bar of the Premiere Pro and select File. Select Import and the browser window will open, and allowing you to choose which file you would like to import into your Premiere Pro. The third method I'm going to be showing you is the shortcut method, which can be easily achieved by pressing Command plus I or Control plus I on your keyboard. This will bring up the browser window like in the previous, and you just have to go through the same process that I just illustrated to you. This brings us to the fourth methodological approach that I'm going to be showing you, which is the drag and drop method. You can navigate to the location of your footage and files using the File Explorer. Once you've found the files you are looking for to import, select them. Click and drag them into Premiere Pro and let go the console like this in the project window. This leads us to the fifth and final easy methods to import videos into Premiere Pro. This can be done through the media browser. To open the media browser inside of Premiere Pro, all you have to do, you have to go to the project window. Here, if you don't find the icon, you have to navigate to the top menu and select Window. On the window, you scroll down and search for the media browser. Click on it. This will bring the icon automatically to the project window here. To import your chosen clips or clip, you have to right-click the file in the media browser and select Import. That's it. This brings us to the end of the tutorial. But before I let you go, I just want to say something explicitly that is very important to me. I know there is no way I can pay you back for subscribing to my channel. There is no way I can pay you for liking, commenting, and sharing the content of my channel than saying thank you. Thank you again, and again. Have a nice day.